What is up, guys? Finally got the Roto-Fab cold air intake installed on the ZL1. It is all stock except for the intake. Wanted to shoot a quick video to show you guys some before and after sound clips of the supercharger whine. Definitely worth the money in my opinion. You're not going to see too much of a power increase out of just an intake, but just for the sound alone, I think it's definitely worth it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so that does it for the Roto-Fab cold air intake on the ZL1. If you liked what you saw, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. There's a lot more content on the way for this car. Thanks for watching, everyone.